Hi, welcome to today's video. Please read the disclaimer before that. Disclaimer 1, take a pause and read it. And disclaimer 2, and please read it. This money related things all involves market risk, and you may lose your entire capital, or beyond that also you can go that. So please take decision based on your own. Don't take any investment decision based on other people, including me. And these are the most commonly making mistake. And my advice, please today also read it, take a pause and read. Even though these points everybody know that they are not following it, just because lack of practice and risk management. Please read it. And this is the series, and we are in the day 4. And these are the set of rules which we have, and we are following it, and we are going to follow throughout our entire series. And capital will be less, and additional buffer amount I kept, and risk reward percentage will be less. This 1.1 we got it based on this. I will divide it. So it means that if I own 14.285 can be the maximum profit, and if I lose 15.715 is the minimum maximum loss can. So this is within the slightly over the range, but it's okay. And these are some rough figure I added, and we will see going forward what will happen. And these are within the limit. And the unrealized profit will be 435. And I will show you how it came. And discipline record will be 100%. Not only this series, every series need to be discipline is very important. Hard work and smart work will be lesser, because not we are not going to do much things in here. We'll set the position, and we will leave it as it is. Low risk taker, low capital, and strategy allowed at most, and adjustment allowed only once per day. It means like we are not going to do any over trading, and not reacted to everyday ups and moves. No place for fear or greedy. So these are all some things we are doing it just to make sure we are not doing the same mistake which everyone is doing. And this is not going. Nothing is going to stop us to making profit. And day 1 to day 4, we started in the Friday morning, and we took the position. And after by the evening, there will be a big changes, and in the positions, positive and negative zones. And in the day 2, again the P position chain came back to the same, and C didn't come, and but uh, overall will be 670 rupees profit. And in the day 3, and we have again the position changed, and based on the position we are like minus 320. Just this is because the PIV is raised. And same thing today also, if you see, and the IV is keep rising. The overall value is 435. And maybe in next week or something, when IV goes down, then we will get in profit will be in the thousands. So how the current position is will be like, I can show this. So this is the one we are having now. So this need to be within this range. This is a simple strategy only. The maximum profit and maximum loss you can see 14,285 and minus 15,715. We are taking like nearly 1:1 ratio. So let's see what will happen. And this is the status today. And the money which it took for this question is just within the 1 lakh rupees. You can check it in any website also by adding the same question. And don't take any investment decision. Again, I'm repeating. And the when we lost 30,000, that is the 30 percentage of the total capital, then we are declaring it as the series is failed, and this we lost it like that. So we are going to check how long we are going to survive this market. Like I will keep posting day every day, and we will see when how long we are going. And on the other hand, the 1 lakh or the amount how we are going to multiply, we will see that in the upcoming thing. Let's tune wait for the uh, next day tomorrow. Thanks.